in your Mac, you can easily increase the speed of how fast your mouse will move from point A to point B. To do that, all you do is click on the Apple icon, System Settings, and then you want to go down to where it says Mouse. And then at the very top where it says Tracking Speed, you can have it where it will be super fast, where you just move around. Or if for some reason you wanted to have it slow, you can scroll and drag the cursor down to the left. And when you let go, it's going to be extremely slow. And personally, I would not want to have that enabled for myself because this I think is very counterproductive. But you can easily move the cursor or move the dial back and forward to your liking. I personally like it over here because it makes the mouse of the tracking part of it to be extremely fast for my workflow. So this is how you do it.